Hello friends, today we are going to learn Standard 10 Subject Maths 1 Chapter number 3 Arithmetic Progression. In that we are studying about n term of an AP. Practice set 3.2. In that question number 7, the 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find 41st term of that AP. 11th term and 21st term is given. It is 16 and 29. Question number 7. 11th term, that is T11 is 16 and 21st term means T21 is 29. These two terms are given. We know n term of an AP is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put n is equal to 11. T11 is a plus 11 minus 1 into d. But 11th term is 16. 16 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into d, 10d. 16 is equal to a plus 10d, or we can write it as a plus 10d is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. Now T 21st term is 29. Again Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of n as 21. 21 a plus 21 minus 1 into d. T21 is 29. 29 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into d, 20d. Therefore, a plus 20d is equal to 29. This is equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, we can solve these two simultaneous equations. Now, a plus 10d equal to 16 and a plus 20d equal to 29. We have to solve the simultaneous equation. For that, subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 2 from 1 means a plus d, a plus 10d is equal to 16 and a plus 20d is equal to 29. Subtraction. At the time of subtraction, change all the signs of second equation. Plus becomes minus. A minus a get cancelled. 10d minus 20d is minus 10d is equal to 16 minus 29 is minus 13. Therefore, minus 10d equal to minus 13. Minus minus becomes plus. Therefore, 10d is equal to 13. Means value of d is 13 upon 10. That is equal to d is equal to 1.3. Now find the value of a. Put the value of d in any one equation. Put d is equal to 1.3 in equation 1. Suppose equation 1 is a plus 10d, a plus 10 into d. Value of d is 1.3 is equal to 16. Therefore, a plus 10 into 1.3 is 13 is equal to 16. Means a is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Value of d is 1.3 and value of a is 3. Now, we have to find out 41st term of an AP. Now, we know the value of a and d and n also. Now, n is equal to 41, a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 1.3. Now, we can find Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, T 41st term means T41 is equal to a is 3 plus 41 minus 1 into d is 1.3. It is equal to 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into 1.3 means 3 plus 40 into 13. 13 0 is 0, 13 4 is 52.0 means 52. There 52 plus 3 is 55. Therefore, we can write it as T41 equal to 55. Therefore, 41st term of an AP is 55. Got it? Okay. Now we will see question number 8. Question number 8 is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? Question number 8. 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. This AP is given. Then which term of this AP is minus 51? Then we know A is equal to, that is T1 first term is 11, T2 8, T3 5, T4 is 2. Now find T2 minus T1, that is D. D is equal to T2 minus T1 means 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is minus 3 means common difference is minus 3. It is given that it is an AP. Now find out Tn. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put the values and we know which number is minus 151 means value of Tn is given. This is large term. We can assume it as Tn is minus 151. Put the values. Tn is minus 151. Value of A is 11 plus n. We have to find out value of n. N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. Minus 151 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 151 minus 11 is minus 162 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to minus 162 upon minus 3. Divide. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to minus minus becomes plus. It is 54. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 54 means n is equal to 54. Minus 1 goes to RHS side, it will become plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 55. It means we can say that 55th term of an AP is minus 151. Therefore, 55th term of an AP is minus 151. Got it? Okay, students. Now we will see question number 9 is same as question number 6. Now we will see question number 10. In an AP, 17 term is 7 more than its 10 term. Then find the common difference. Question number 10. 17 term is T17 is 7 more than its 10 term means 10 term plus 7. This is the condition. Now we know the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find 17 term and 10 term. N is equal to 17. Then we get T17 is equal to A plus n minus 1, sorry, n value of n is 17 minus 1 into d. Therefore T17 is equal to a plus 16d. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now find T10. T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Now value of T10 is a plus 10 minus 1, 9d. This is equation 2. Now find the value of d. We have to find common difference. Then from 1 and 2, equation is given T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. This is the given condition, because 17 term is 7 more than its 10 term. Therefore T17 term is a plus 16d. Put the values from equation 1 and 2. T10 is a plus 9d and plus 7. Now this a comes to LHS side, it will become minus a. Now plus 16d, if plus 9d comes to LHS side, it will become minus 9d is equal to 7. Now a minus a get cancelled. 16d minus 9d is 7d is equal to 7. Therefore d is equal to 7 upon 7 into 7 goes to RHS side, it will become upon 7. 7 ones are 7. Therefore d is equal to 1, means the common difference is equal to 1, is d. Got it all of you? Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos to your friends. Thank you very much.